What's up, what's up, what's up? How's it going, everyone? Today I am hiking Eagle Creek Trail, which is about 30 minutes to the east of Portland. Apparently there is a waterfall about 2 miles down the trail. This trail is actually like 20 miles long, which obviously I am not going to be doing all of that today. I'm just going to see if I can find that waterfall, and I'm going to bring you guys along with, and I'm just going to check it out. Let's go. One thing I'm noticing already, I'm the only one headed up the trail. I think I might have started this a little late. Everyone else is coming down off this mountain, so we do it our way. Oh, there's a lot of walking along very steep ledges with like a couple 100-foot drop here. All right, motherfuckers, we're going in. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed that little swimming in the waterfall. I really did. The water was ice cold though, ice cold. I was freezing, but I kind of got used to it after a little bit. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it was really deep. It was like, I would say at least. Sorry, I thought there was a damn snake by my feet. But yeah, I think it was at least 20 feet there, which I wasn't expecting. But I'll definitely be coming back. This place is very cool. Yeah, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day.